The average car repair bill in the United States just hit $838. That number comes from Kelley Blue Book, and it is climbing faster than at any point in recorded history. Car repair costs jumped 15% in 2025 alone, the steepest single-year increase the Bureau of Labor Statistics has ever tracked. And a big reason for that spike is a 25% tariff on imported auto parts that most car owners have never even heard of. Now, you might be thinking, didn't the Supreme Court strike those tariffs down? And you'd be half right. In February 2026, the court did kill the broad emergency tariffs. But the 25% tariff on cars and car parts, that one was filed under a completely different law. It was never part of that court case. It is still in full effect today, and it is quietly making every trip to the mechanic more expensive. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how this tariff hits your wallet, why used car owners are paying the biggest price, and 3 things you can do right now to protect yourself. The 25% tax nobody told you about. Here's what most people missed. The tariffs the Supreme Court struck down were based on the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. Those were the country-specific tariffs on goods from China, the EU, Canada, and Mexico. Gone. Wiped out in a 6-3 decision. But the 25% tariff on imported auto parts lives under a completely different law called Section 232 of the Trade Expansion Act of 1962. It was never challenged. It was never even discussed. And it covers practically everything under your hood: engines, transmissions, electrical systems, body panels, sensors, and brake components. If the part was made overseas, it carries a 25% duty. According to Cox Automotive, most car parts used in repairs are imported, often from Canada, Mexico, Japan, or Germany. So, when your alternator dies or your transmission starts slipping, the replacement part has already been taxed 25% before it even reaches the shelf at your local parts store. That cost gets passed right down to you, the $30 billion ripple effect. Cox Automotive reported that in the first full year of auto tariffs, the industry absorbed an estimated $30 billion in additional costs. JP Morgan put it even higher at roughly $41 billion in year 1, rising to $52 billion by year 3. Ford alone projected a $3 billion hit. But here's the part that matters if you're not buying a new car. Those cost increases are flowing straight into the aftermarket parts supply chain. The stores that stock your brake pads, sensors, and filters are all paying more to get inventory on the shelf. Autoblog reported that parts prices have climbed 25% specifically because of tariffs. And the math gets worse when you look at raw materials. Steel imports now carry at least 60% in combined duties. About 80% of automotive-grade aluminum comes from Canada, and it's all subject to those same layered rates. So the metal that goes into the part gets taxed. Then the finished part gets taxed again. All of it lands on your bill. Why used car owners get hit the hardest? If you drive a used car, and statistically most Americans do, you are right in the crosshairs. According to S&P Global Mobility, the average car on American roads is now 12.8 years old. There are 289 million vehicles in operation, and a huge number of them are past the age where they start needing serious work. Older cars need more parts: transmissions, suspension rebuilds, engine repairs, all expensive. And as Cox Automotive's director of product consulting told CNN, the older the vehicles, the more likely they will require major services. Here's the irony. A lot of people bought used specifically to save money. They skipped the new car market because prices were too high. But now the repair costs on those older vehicles are climbing because of the exact same tariffs that pushed new car prices up in the first place. New or used, the tariff follows the parts. It doesn't stop at the repair shop either. When fixing a car costs more, insurers pay more per claim and they raise your premium. Parts Trader estimated the tariff adds $80 to $100 to every repairable insurance claim. Insurify projected that full coverage car insurance could climb as much as 7% from tariff-driven costs alone, on top of premiums that have already jumped 43% since 2021. What you can actually do about it. The 25% tariff isn't going anywhere soon, but you're not helpless. First, get ahead of your maintenance. If you know your brakes are getting thin or your transmission fluid hasn't been changed, handle it now. Parts prices are higher today than 6 months ago, and they'll be higher 6 months from now. A 2024 Carfax report found 30 million vehicles in the US are behind on basic maintenance. Skipping that $80 oil change today can easily turn into a $6,000 engine replacement down the road. Second, ask about aftermarket and remanufactured parts. OEM parts carry the highest tariff exposure because many are sourced from overseas. Aftermarket alternatives can save you 30% to 50% on the same repair, and for most jobs, they perform just as well. A good mechanic will tell you honestly when the cheaper option makes sense. Third, learn the simple stuff. About 30% of American drivers are now doing their own basic repairs, up from 26% in 2020. Replacing a headlight bulb, swapping an air filter, topping off fluids. None of these require a shop visit, and everyone saves you a labor charge on top of the inflated parts cost. Fourth, shop your insurance aggressively. Comparing quotes from at least 3 or 4 providers can save you hundreds per year. Insurify data shows that since 2021, the number of people switching carriers has jumped 22%. Insurers are competing for your business. Use that. And fifth, if a big repair is coming, get multiple estimates. Pricing between shops can vary significantly, especially right now when different suppliers are absorbing tariff costs at different rates. A 15-minute phone call to a second shop could save you a few $100s on the same job. The 25% tariff on auto parts isn't a headline most people noticed. It doesn't trend on social media, but it shows up every single time you hand your keys to a mechanic or open your insurance bill. And unlike the tariffs the Supreme Court struck down, this one is still standing. The car owners who come out ahead are the ones who stay informed and stay ahead on maintenance. A little planning now saves you thousands later. If this video helped you see the picture more clearly, drop a comment and tell me which part surprised you the most. If this video was useful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It only takes a second and helps more drivers find this channel before they make costly mistakes. For straight talk, no fluff, helpful videos, subscribe and turn on notifications. I post new videos every week, and every single one is designed to save you money and make your life easier. And please share it, because the best thing you can do for a friend is make sure they see this before they need it.